Hello dear student, myself Swati Futane. Welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to learn new lesson addition and subtraction of pair. So let us see some examples. 10 plus 12. Now we are going to add this. See, 10 plus 12. 0 plus 2 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we will get the answer 22. This 22 is a sum of 10 and 12, means total of 10 and 12. Now we will understand how to make subtraction example from this addition. Okay, so first we will take the sum. Sum means total number. Okay, and we will subtract one number from this, from the sum. Okay, so I am going to take 10 number. 22 minus 10. Let us subtract 10 number from 22. 22 minus 10. Which number we will get? See here. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here we will get the 12 answer. And if you notice that the other number is also 12. So we will understand here, if you subtract from the sum one number, the other number we will get as a difference. Okay. So here answer is 12. 22 minus 10 is equal to 12. So now we are going to make next example of subtraction from this addition. 22 minus 12. So let us subtract 12 number from the 22. 22 minus 12. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So here we will get the answer 10. And if you notice that the other number also what? 10. Understand the next example. See here. 71 plus 22. Let us add this. 71 plus 22. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. Its answer is 93. Okay. Now from this addition we will make a two subtraction example. So first we will take the sum and we will subtract one number from this sum. So I am going to take 71 number. 93 minus 71. So let us subtract this. 93 minus 71. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here we will get the answer 22. And if you observe here, the other number is also what? 22. It means when we subtract one number from the sum, we will get the other number is as a difference. Okay. So our answer is here 93 minus 71 is equal to 22. So let us make another example of subtraction. 93 minus 22. So let us subtract it. Minus 22. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 2, 71. So what we will get the answer here? 71. If you notice that the other number is a what? 71. It means when we subtract one number from the sum, we will get the other number as a difference. Okay. So our answer is here 71. So what we understand here? We will understand from every example of addition, we can get two example of subtraction. See this example. When we add 8 plus 8, which number we will get here? Yes, 16. For making subtraction, we will take the first sum, means that is a 16 number, and subtract any number from this addition, that is a 8. Here both number are same. So we will subtract 16 minus 8. So which number we will get now here? Yes, 8. So other number, if you see here, the other number is what? That is also 8. Now we will see the next example here. Now when you taking out the other example of subtraction, what you will get here? Answer 8. So what we understand here, if we adding same number, we will get the only one example of subtraction. Here if you see, both are same. Okay, so here what means both number are same, because of that we will get the only one example of subtraction. Okay, what we understand, when we added same number, we can get only one example of subtraction. Now we are going to solve some examples. See here. Here 99 is what? 99 is a sum of 12 and 87. First here addition problem you can see here. 87 plus 12 is equal to 99. And from this addition, here making a subtraction problem, you can see the two examples are here. So 99 first sum is taking, and from this sum subtract one number is here, that is a 12. And when this subtract 12 number from this 99, the answer is what here? 87. And here it is a other number is also what? 87. It means when we subtract the sum from the sum a one number, we will get the other number as a difference. Here you can see the 99 minus 87. Now here take another number. So we will get the answer here 12. So here what we understand here, when we subtract one number from the sum, we will get the other number as a difference. Okay. Now we are going to solve this. Here 84 is what? 84 is a sum of 50 and 34. So now we are going to make an addition example first here. Here 34 already is given here. So we write here in second box 50 number. When we add 34 and 50, we will get the sum 84. Okay. Now this addition example, we will make the two subtraction example now. See here, first we are going to take the 84 number, and we will take any one number from this both number, that is a 34. When we minus 84, 34 number from the sum 84, we will get the answer 50. Okay. And now we are going to make another example. First we are going to take the 84. Okay. Now we take another number 50. Okay. When we subtract 50 number from the sum 84, which number we will get here? C, 34. What we understand here, when we subtract any number from the sum, we will get the another number is as a difference. Okay, now yes student, the total number is what? 75, means sum is 75, and here you number is not given. We will write here numbers, that is a total should be 75. So here I am going to take 40 and 35 number. When we add 40 and 35, what we will get answer here? 75. Okay, from this addition example, we are going to make a subtraction example. 75. So first we are going to take sum, and we will take one number from this both number. So 75 minus 40, we will get the 35. Okay, now we're going to make another example of subtraction. 75 minus 35, we will get the 40. Now we will solve some word problem. Vedashri read 9 pages of a book. How many pages should she read to finish reading 15 pages? So let us understand this first word problem. What is the given in this question? Here given the Vedashri read the 9 pages means she has finished reading of 9 pages. Okay, and how many pages should she read to finish reading 15 pages? Here, the given the number of total pages she has to read the 15 pages. Okay, she has finished already 9 pages. So, what is the ask in this case question? How more pages she has to read to complete 15 pages? So, here we can solve the word problem in the both way. We can do the addition also, we can do the subtraction also. So we will do the first subtraction example. 15 minus 9. So here it is she already read the 9 pages and total number of pages is what? 15. So we will take out the 9 number from the 15 number. Here we can do the circle also, otherwise you can counting backward. So here I am going to draw the 15 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. From this 15 circle, we have to take out 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many circles are remaining here? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 circles are left here. So our answer is here 6. We can solve this example. We can solve this question in with the addition also. 9 plus dash is equal to 15. Here we can counting forward. We can write the number from 9 to till 50. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here we have to count, jump forward from 9 to 15 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many steps we take? 6 steps. So our answer is here 6. Therefore, 50 minus 9 is equal to 6. See the another example. Hassan collected 30 seeds. Some of them are chiku seeds and the remaining 22 are the custard apple seeds. How many chiku seeds are there? Here, what is a given in this question? We should understand. Here, what is a given? Total number of seeds and the custard apple of seeds. And what is asked? The number of chiku seeds they ask. So we should find out the number of chiku seeds. Here the total seeds how many? 30. And custard apple seeds is 22. So we do the subtraction first. 30 minus 22. What we will get answer here? 8. Yes. Now we will do the addition also here. 22 plus dash is equal to 30. Here we find out the what is given in this dash. So we have to counting forward after 22 till 30 number. So I am going to write from 20 to 30 number. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Here we are going to count forward from 22 to till 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many steps we take here? Yes, we take the 8 steps. So answer is here 8. 22 plus 8 is equal to 30. Therefore, 30 minus 22 is equal to 8. In both way we can get the same answer here. I hope you all of you understand.